Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video on making your computer faster. I find a lot of clients come in with Windows 10 computers that are running slow, and there's actually generally just three spots you can turn things off to make them, number one, boot up faster, and number two, run faster because there's less things running in the background. So to get to the three spots, we're going to do a Windows key plus R to bring up the run box and type regedit. If we go to H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and down to run, what this is programs on your computer that start up when you log in. These are based on the user though, so in a moment we will go and check the computer as well. So let's just turn some stuff off that I don't need to run. So I don't need link to start up every time. I don't want the thermal take monitor to start up every time. Voobly, delete, yes. Steam, I can start that manually. OneDrive, might leave OneDrive because I use it a little bit. And I'm going to leave Google Drive also. Then if we scroll back up and minimize that one, then we'll go down to H key local machine. We'll go to software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and we'll look for the run folder again. So these ones are items that are starting up on your computer. So this happens to every user that's on the computer if you have multiple users. So I'm going to turn off the Adobe updaters. And that's about all. Next up, I'm going to right click on the start menu and go to Task Manager. And then I'm going to check the Startup tab. On here you can see some other things that start up automatically. So I'm just going to turn some of these off as well. You do need to be careful about what you actually disable, because you might not want everything turned off. But you will find things that you don't need to have running all the time. And you will also find if you ever have a virus, a lot of the time they will actually boot up from the regedit. So if you actually go in here and have some suspect virus.exe file, then turning that off can also disable the virus. Alright, just a short one today guys. See ya.